Hey there, it's Ben All, Keller Williams Realty, Bellamax Realty Group. And today we're back in Silver Lake in Keller again. And it's an awesome, awesome neighborhood. So for those of you who don't know this neighborhood, it's quiet, 78 home little neighborhood tucked away just south of 1709. We're within walking distance of all the community parks, the movie theater, shopping, Keller Town Center. It's all just right here. This is a gated community, so very secure. And you can see, looking over my shoulder, this particular home sits on the water. So we do have a canal and a lake that goes through the neighborhood, and this particular home is situated in such a way that you're gonna have just an absolutely beautiful view out of the back of the house from the master, the living area, the kitchen and dining area, and then this just fantastic covered patio. So today we are at 705 East Hill Street in Keller, Texas. We're about 2,100 square feet. Beautiful home, exquisite finishes, custom villa. The neighborhood is all custom villas, so this particular home is a single story, which is very desirable. And you can see the location is just fabulous. How peaceful, how quiet, how serene it is just to sit back here and take a look and enjoy the mornings and the evenings. So come on in, let's take a look at this house. Again, 705 East Hill Street in Keller. So we're going to start back at the front door here and come into the house. And I want you just to notice just as you come in, the entry is just spectacular. We've got barrel vaulted ceiling here, accent lighting, crown molding. I think you guys will notice throughout all of these Bryan Adams custom villas that he has such amazing detail, luxury finishes that he adds to these homes. So you've got stacked crown molding, you've got archways at the doorways, you've got hand-scraped wood floors throughout, except in the bedrooms, and the home is just exquisitely appointed. And I also want you to notice just how light and bright and open this home is. Because of the way it's situated, with the back facing the water feature and the canal, you've got just an abundance of light coming in through all the rooms across the back. And with the layout, it just spreads from the back of the house to the front of the house. And then with the windows at the front, you also have just an exquisite flow of light. So as you come in, off to your right, we have what would be the third bedroom that is currently being used as a study. You'll see the detail in the ceilings. We've got high ceilings, we've got beams in the ceilings, plantation shutters, wood floors, great detail throughout. Could be flex space for you, used however. Off to your right is the other bedroom, guest bathroom. Again, fine details throughout, very generous rooms, just very light and bright. This bedroom looks out onto the private side yard that this home affords. And the bathroom, just look at all of the finish out in this bathroom. Great tile work, arch ceiling in the shower, basically a furniture cabinet. It's just exquisite. If you come in a little bit further, we're gonna take a left, and down the hallway here, you'll see the laundry room. Great open room, dining, kitchen, family room, stone fireplace, high ceilings, crown moldings, and just look at the view. It is absolutely spectacular. You feel like you're just sitting someplace private and can just enjoy the view all day long. The finishes in the kitchen are exquisite. You've got granite countertops, you've got custom cabinetry, you've got lighted cabinetry, all of the finishes of an exquisite high-end villa home. And then off to the right, as we move back the other direction, you'll see the master suite. Large room, high ceilings in here as well, spa-like bath, have a tub, stand-up shower, dual vanities, just everything you could look for in a very well-appointed home. So again, this is 705 East Hill Street here in Keller in the neighborhood of Silver Lake. Great opportunity for you to have just an exquisite high-end villa home to call your own. Give me a call, Ben All, Keller Williams, 817-992-1886.